A tobacco giant is using the kangaroo to sell cigarettes in Europe. The federal government is fuming, accusing British American Tobacco of cashing in on our healthy lifestyle.
This has got the Australian government hopping mad.
Get your hands off our icons, don't use them to sell your product.
Our national icon on European Winfield cigarette packets with the phrase, an Australian favourite.
Tobacco companies will use these sneaky tactics, really trying to bank on Australia's healthy image to sell these cigarettes to Europeans.
We know they invest a great deal of money researching the desirability of their packs.
Quit wants the cancer kangaroo culled. The contrast couldn't be starker. Australia plans to label cigarette packets with gruesome images about the deadly side effects of smoking. But the government's admitted there's nothing it can do about the packaging of cigarettes overseas. It's also got the tourism industry fuming.
When people see a kangaroo, they think of Australia.
This is the image it wants to project of Australia overseas.
It's not the ideal association to have it promoting an unhealthy habit like smoking. Would we, as the tourism industry, prefer that it wasn't used in this way? Yes.
In April, British American Tobacco will lead the charge here at the High Court, teaming up with other tobacco companies to argue the government's new plain packaging laws are unconstitutional. For that reason, BAT says it won't comment on the matter. But it has pointed out that the kangaroo logo is not part of a new campaign and has been used for about 10 years. Leah Craven, 10 News.